They wear tuxedos, they can't fly, but they rule the coldest places on Earth. Meet the penguins, nature's most charming survivors. From underwater speed demons to loyal partners for life, these little birds are full of surprises. Stay tuned, because today we're diving into 15 mind-blowing facts about penguins, and fact number 11 will totally melt your heart. Fact 1. Penguins are birds, but they can't fly. Instead, they've turned swimming into an art form. Their wings act like flippers, letting them glide underwater faster than most fish. Fact 2. Some penguins can swim up to 22 miles per hour. That's faster than a dolphin at cruising speed. When they leap from the water in smooth arcs, it looks like pure magic. Fact 3. There are 18 species of penguins in the world, from the mighty emperor penguin of Antarctica to the tiny little blue penguin found in Australia and New Zealand. Fact 4. Penguins spend around 75% of their lives in water. They eat, play, and even sleep while floating on the waves. Land is just their resting stop. Fact 5. The largest penguin, the emperor penguin, can stand nearly 4 feet tall and weigh over 90 pounds. That's like a small child in a black and white suit. Fact 6. The smallest penguin is only 13 inches tall. It's adorably known as the little blue penguin, and yes, it's actually bluish in color. Fact 7. Penguins are excellent divers. Some species can dive more than 1,800 feet deep and hold their breath for over 20 minutes. That's deeper than most submarines used by humans. Fact 8. A penguin's black and white coloring is a natural camouflage called countershading. From above, they blend with the dark ocean, and from below, they blend with the bright sky. Genius defense. Fact 9. Penguins are incredibly loyal partners. Many species mate for life and even recognize their partner's voice among thousands of others in a noisy colony. Love really does find a way, even in Antarctica. Fact 10. Male emperor penguins are the ultimate dads. They hold their egg on top of their feet for 2 months in freezing winds while the mother hunts for food. No nest. No break. Just pure dedication. Fact 11. Penguins propose to their partners with a pebble. Yes, you heard that right, male penguins find the smoothest pebble they can and offer it to the female. If she accepts, they're a couple. Fact 12. Penguins can drink salt water. Their bodies have special glands that filter out salt, something most animals can't do. Nature built them perfectly for ocean life. Fact 13. Penguins molt once a year, shedding all their feathers at once. It's called a catastrophic molt, and during that time, they can't swim or eat. Talk about a tough beauty routine. Fact 14. Penguins don't live at the North Pole, only the South Pole and the Southern Oceans. So, no, they never meet polar bears, that's just a cartoon myth. Fact 15. Despite living in icy regions, not all penguins love the cold. Some species, like the African penguin, live on warm beaches and even get sunburned. Crazy, right? And that's our deep dive into the incredible world of penguins, the most lovable birds on the planet. Which fact amazed you the most? Tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. Stay cool, stay curious, and keep sliding through life just like a penguin.